Oh God. Oh, this is useless. It's not sharp enough.
Dad, no need for those ordinary shears. We have some battery-powered shears that you could use. Check this out.
Oh wow.
Check it out for yourself, Dad. It's amazing.
Oh wow.
Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
Without further ado, Dad, let's start gardening.
Let's start gardening.
This was sent to us by Kebtek to test out the new electric pruning shear.
When did you get this from?
It arrived yesterday morning, but I kept it a surprise from you because I know you'd love it. It will help you out a lot, Dad.
I'm loving it already.
It came in this toolkit box, and inside the box there are 2 lithium batteries and a charger. The batteries take about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge, and the batteries last 8 to 10 hours, Dad.
Oh,
Isn't it amazing?
That sounds great. 8 to 10 hours.
That's a lot, Dad.
But, Akib, so how do you operate this?
Let me show you how to operate this, Dad. This is one of the lithium batteries that came in the box. And this is where you charge this lithium battery. That's where the charging cable goes in. Once the lithium battery is fully charged, this is where it needs to go in. Line it up properly and just push it in. And you will hear a click. Once you have put in the battery, this is the power button. Hold the power button until you hear the buzz and you see the indicator light turn on. The green light has turned on now. To activate the electric shear, press the trigger twice to open up the blades. Just like that. The blade has 2 diameters, 30mm and 20mm. To interchange the blade's diameter, press and hold the trigger for 3 seconds until you hear the buzz. That's 30mm. To change it to 20mm, do it again. That's 20. Now you can see the blades have gone much smaller. It has closed in slightly. To put the electric shear on safety lock, press and hold the trigger for 5 seconds until you hear the second bleep. First bleep, second bleep.
It's the 20th of February and we're approaching spring. The weather's going to get warmer soon. It's a perfect month to cut back on your hydrangea, your roses and your trees and shrubs. This is one of our hydrangea plant. And I can see it's starting to give out new shoots. It's the perfect time to actually cut back on it. Now let's try this out. Yeah, I'm going to prune it just above this leaf node here and cut it about 45 degrees angle. Oh,
Wow,
oh my God. That was nice and easy, wasn't it?
that's really strong and powerful.
Yes. Now let's try something else. Cut this back, cut this down. Oh,
Wow, it cuts really fast.
scary. It is scary. This is nice. I like
It's gonna
it.
help you a lot, Dad.
Effortless.
Effortless, yep.
All right, let's try this on here. Try cutting this branch here. This is quite big, isn't it? Let's cut it here. Ooh,
Whoa!
that was good, wasn't it?
It cut it effortlessly. Wow.
I
Dad,
like it.
that's a very thick branch as well,
I
isn't
like it. This is good. Life's going to be much easier now.
Yes, it is.
Now, let's try on this one here. Okay, come here. This is a dead branch here. Oh.
Whoa!
That was good.
Dad, make sure your finger doesn't slip. You wouldn't want that.
Now, be careful because keep your left hand away. This can be quite scary.
The weather for the past few days has been absolutely horrible because of the storm Eunice. It's been very windy, it's been raining non-stop, and it's been absolutely miserable, hasn't it, Dad?
A couple of days ago, this pavilion was nearly blown away because of the wind. It was horrible, I'm telling you. Everything was flying in the garden.
The neighbour's stuff was flying into our garden. It was so windy. And I saw some videos on YouTube where there was like dustbins flying in the air. It was absolutely crazy.
If you're interested in buying one of these Kebtek electric pruning shear, we'll leave the link in the description down below. I think it's a fantastic tool to have in your toolbox, and it cuts effortlessly.
It does all the magic for you. You just sit there and relax, basically.
I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share our videos with friends and family.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum. And I'll see you in the next one. Let's cut over.